Hello, this is Ron Z. I just want to relate my impressions of the TP-Link Archer 5400 router. It's a very fast router. This was a free demo sample received from TP-Link in exchange for testing and feedback as part of their review program. What's visually distinctive is the 8 folding antenna design. The antennas can fold flat when they are not being used. The router has a black matte finish, which means that no fingerprints are ever visible. I like that the C5400 has its indicator lights and main controls on the front panel. That's very convenient. The C5400 is a tri-band router, meaning it has 3 separate channels and up to 3 separate SSIDs. There is one 2.4 GHz channel and 2 5 GHz channels. In my crowded urban neighborhood, experimentation has shown that channel 9 gives the best results for 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band is almost entirely empty, and I'm using channels 36 and 149. I've named the router SSIDs Zeus, Zeus 5G1, and Zeus 5G2. To boost Wi-Fi in my garden area, I've teamed the C5400 router with a TP-Link RE590T range extender. They work very well together. Those SSIDs are ACE and ACE 5G. You'll find my text review posted below as a comment. What's unique about this router is the speed potential on each of the 3 bands. The 2.4 GHz band is capable of 1,000 megabits per second. Each of the 5 GHz bands is capable of doing 2,167 megabits per second. That's unique and extraordinary. TP-Link pulled out all stops. To accomplish this outstanding performance, TP-Link uses 4-stream technology, NitroCam for a 25% extra boost, and multi-user, multi-input, multi-output. This is the best router I've ever tested in terms of stability and speed. The C5400 has a dual-core 1.4 GHz CPU, 3 co-processors, 128 megabytes of flash memory, and 256 megabytes of RAM. Lots of simultaneous connections can be maintained without buffering or interruption. I ordinarily have 4 hardwired Ethernet connections and 25 Wi-Fi connections. While TP-Link uses the same Broadcom chipset as its competitors, it somehow manages to sell this router for a lot less. The C5400 is set up and configured using a web browser interface via a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. The quick setup menu gets beginners connected to the internet in less than 10 minutes. On the basic menu, you'll find a network map. On the advanced menu, experts will find tons of configuration settings to fiddle with and fine-tune. TP-Link has also developed a free Android and iOS app called Tether, which I also frequently use and find quite handy. The C5400 is the best and fastest router I've ever tested. With this router and my Time Warner cable subscription, 200 download, 20 megabit per second upload, speed test results measured on an 802 11AC Windows 10 ThinkPad laptop are routinely above 230 megabits per second download and 24 megabits per second upload. And these are conservative benchmark values because there was lots of simultaneous activity on the LAN by other devices. I've tested many routers, both TP-Link and other brands. And whether you're a beginner or an expert, I believe you'll be quite pleased with the performance of the TP-Link Archer C5400. I hope this review has been helpful to you. Goodbye and good luck.